I've been reactivated by the android wave from space. See, I got this here hair growing out the back of my head. It makes me want to eat rabbits. Hey, you gonna fix this here leak over here? I got old boys down in here all day and night with water dripping on their head. Break out the prisoners. These old boys need to come outside. We's out now, boy. You can't stop us. We's gonna rally the clan folk. Oh, we're everywhere. We got horse running around. Oh, you can't do nothing. What happened to your tail, boy? Somebody clipped off your tail. Looks like some boy went out there with a pair of hedge clippers. Crazy. Don't you come. Somebody done broke my leg. I'll put you down. Oh. You too. Somebody broke yours. I got you. I'll put them old boys down back here because you broke their legs.
I think she's ignoring you.
What are you going to do about this? I got beneficiaries and said to be paid, family members, life insurance. One of them had a $30,000 policy on his life so that he can be buried up there in that cemetery that he likes. You ain't going to say nothing, you just stare at me like that.
I think she's over it.
There's something wrong with you?
Oh, no, back
there's
up.
two of you now. What are you going to do? You going to team up on an old boy like me? You can't do that. Don't worry, I'll put you down. I wouldn't have you running out with no broke leg.
There's going to be no horses left by the time she's done.
What did you do to that old boy down there? He's laying down here in the heat like somebody broke his leg. Everybody running out. What's going on down in here? You guys be running through.
Mommy.
I'll be your mommy. What's going on?